Unleashing the Power of Mixed Conditionals, Applications in Real Life. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to embark on a fascinating exploration of the English language, focusing on a particularly important concept, mixed conditionals. Not only will we delve into the nitty-gritty of mixed conditionals, but we'll also discuss how we can apply them in our everyday life, making your English sound more natural and sophisticated. Before we dive into applying mixed conditionals, let's quickly recap what they are. Mixed conditionals are combinations of two different types of conditional sentences, typically involving the second and third conditional. They allow us to express hypothetical or unreal situations across different time frames. The third conditional, if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle, talks about a condition in the past that did not happen and its probable past result. The second conditional, if plus past simple, would plus infinitive, talks about a hypothetical present or future condition and its probable result. When we mix them, we create a conditional sentence that reflects a past condition and its present or future consequences. Now, let's consider some everyday scenarios to understand how we use mixed conditionals in real-life situations. 1. Regrets. Mixed conditionals can express regrets about the past affecting the present. For example, if I had studied harder at school, past unreal action, I would be in a good university now, present unreal outcome. 2. Effects of past actions. We use mixed conditionals when the effects of past unreal actions are ongoing. For instance, if you had remembered to set the alarm, past unreal action, you wouldn't be late for work, present unreal outcome. 3. Changes in life situations. Consider the sentence, if she hadn't met her mentor, past unreal action, she wouldn't be a successful entrepreneur today, present unreal outcome. To really get the hang of using mixed conditionals, let's try a few exercises together. 1. Rewrite the sentence using a mixed conditional. I don't have a good job because I didn't go to university. 2. Complete the mixed conditional sentence. If I had saved money from my first job. 3. Create a mixed conditional sentence about a past event affecting your current situation. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into mixed conditionals. We hope this video has helped you understand this complex but crucial grammar topic. With practice and application in everyday life, mastering mixed conditionals will become a breeze. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos, and keep practicing. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each step you take brings you closer to mastery. Happy learning!